And this is why you should have a 3D printer. This is why everyone should have a 3D printer. So this panel came from right there. Previous owner drilled this hole out, which kind of sucks. But anyways, look at that profile. This is why you should have your own 3D printer, because then you can do the exact same thing. I won't push it in all the way up here because it's so tight, you actually can't get it back out, but this sits nice and flush. Yeah, boy, it's super tight, no wobble. Well, when it's all the way in there, there's no wobble. Yeah, it's awesome. Not only that, but we've got this, yes, because once again, previous owner, he made a huge hole in the plastic there for the gauge, a gauge. I don't like that, so that's just going to go in there like that, nice and neat. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Cup holders, Extra Track branded. You can't really see that too well, but it's there. Boy,